Ever watched an electrician lift a floorboard and seen that flat grey cable running everywhere? That's the backbone of your whole electrical system, and most people have no idea what it does. That grey cable is called twin and earth. Cut it open and there are 3 wires inside. A brown live, which carries the power in, a blue neutral, which is the return path. Think of it as the return lane on the motorway, and a bare copper earth, which is your safety wire. If something goes wrong and a metal part goes live, the earth trips your breaker before anyone gets a shock. Now, here's the bit that matters. That cable comes in different sizes, and the size decides how much power it can safely carry. It works like water pipes. A thin pipe only lets so much water through. Push too much and it struggles. The thinnest cable, 1mm, runs your lights. 2.5mm is the workhorse. That's your sockets, all the ring main powers around the house. Step up to 6 or 10mm and you're into the big stuff. Electric showers and cookers. And the thickest cable of all carries the entire supply from your electric meter into your fuse bulb. There's a second type too, called 3-core and earth. Same idea, but with an extra wire inside. That extra wire is what lets you switch one light from 2 places. Top and bottom of the stairs, for example. It's also what links your smoke alarms together, so when one goes off, they all go off. So why does any of this matter to you? Because undersized cable is one of the most common faults I see. A cable that's too small for its load runs hot, and hot cables, buried insulation, is a real fire risk. The breaker should catch it, but you never want to rely on that. You size the cable right from the start. So if you're adding sockets, fitting a new shower, or you've had an EICR, flag a cable as undersides. That's not just technicality. It's worth sorting. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel, and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.